several buildings in Boksburg in Gauteng were damaged during this morning's gas tanker explosion. Some of the buildings include the Tambo Memorial Hospital and nearby homes. Alco Ngobese, Ekurhuleni Human Settlements MMC, joins us now for more. Thank you so much, MMC, for joining us. Of course, such a tragic situation happening just the day before Christmas. What will the city be doing to help these people who are affected and the families, of course, who lost loved ones?
A sad day indeed. Good afternoon, and good afternoon to your viewers at home. Today we visited the scene, both the premier MECs and executive mayor. We visited the area. It's like a war zone when we go there. It's really very, very, very bad. 9 lives were lost, and 4 of those lives are from the same family. It's a sad story, I must say. But we are currently assessing the structural buildings of those homes to see if they're still in a form of accommodating those residents, so that if we find that the structure is no longer safe, we'll then reallocate the resident to the safer areas. But right now, our teams are on the ground doing assessment. I must also thank the NGOs, the NPOs who are providing necessary assistance, food and water. And we are all working together, both the provincial government as well as the city of Ekurhuleni, as we speak.
Mr. Ngobese, of course, we know that the truck was transporting a hazardous gas. Is there any health risks at the moment? Because we know that we do not know 100% what this gas actually is. Can you give us a little bit more of an explanation regarding that?
Yes, definitely. It was carrying a gas. The truck was from the Richards Bay KZN, transporting a gas to Botswana. We don't know how it got into that bridge where it exploded. Currently, our officials are assessing all the possibilities so that people that are living there, they are not affected by this gas. We'll get an update. We're getting updates every 2 hours so that we can ensure that our residents are safe. As we speak, people are on the ground. I just came from the area as well, so our officials are hard at work.
Now, we know that Tambo Memorial Hospital has also been affected, damage there being caused to some part of the building. Patients also had to be relocated to a different hospital, and we also heard that some of the staff was also injured. What's the latest there, and should there be more hands on deck now, seeing that there are some staff members that are now also in hospital or treating injuries?
Yes, indeed. Some of the staff members were injured. Some patients were also injured. But currently, we got the situation under control. We think the staff that is there will be able to assist all those that are injured as we speak. But the situation is quite bad. Part of hospital, Tambo Memorial Hospital, got damaged, and houses, the railway line got damaged. The road infrastructure has also got damaged. 2 cars that were nearby also, they were just destroyed beyond any recognition. So as we speak, our officials are on the ground, and I must thank all the emergency personnel that are on the ground, making sure that our people and our residents are safe as we speak, Karen.
Of course, you know, the damage you just mentioned. Do we know what the extent of that damage actually is in numbers, in rands?
Well, no, in numbers and rands, I can't tell you now because our team are still assessing. But in the hospital, there are broken windows, broken walls, and doors are broken as well. So by tomorrow, we should know exactly in terms of rands and cents how much damage was caused, and we should be able then to work as we work together with the provincial government to see how we can try and repair whatever is repairable.
We heard earlier from Premier we also heard earlier from the Premier that, of course, there were families who lost, there was one family who lost 4 family members. Will not just that family, but also the other families who lost family members be getting counseling?
Definitely, all the affected families will get counseling to ensure that people are well looked after. The city of Ekurhuleni, together with the provincial government, we are in that process to make sure that some of the families are still coming in to identify their loved ones. So it's going to be a process, but definitely counseling is on top of the list.
And just to make 100% sure, Mr. Ngobese, are there any families that will be without a home tonight?
So far, we have identified one family whom we are reallocating as I speak to a safer place. As we go on, I think we should be able to get more if there are more, but we are on the standby to reallocate whoever needs to be reallocated to a safer place. We are on the standby and to make sure that we assist. There is also a command council that has also been established to ensure that we assist all the way. There are caregivers. Everyone is on the scene as we speak to make sure that we assist to the best of our ability.